gosh, hi guys. Today is a very big day. Good morning, happy new year, all of the things. I'm making a little iced coffee right now, and by making an iced coffee, I mean I'm pouring my coffee over ice. There's that. Here we go. Perfect, that's perfect. Here, so let's go sit and talk for a minute because we have some catching up to do before we get into the surprise today. So happy new year. I know that there were a few people that had asked me to do like a new year video, like a reset video for New Year's. I did not reset for New Year's. I didn't have these big goals. I didn't make a vision board. I just wasn't feeling it this year, and not because I'm like, oh, I just don't have any goals or anything. I think my goals are pretty much the same as how they are for anybody, which is just, you know, I want to get on a good workout routine. I want to take care of myself better. I want to be a better person. I want to make more money. I want to be kinder, and just like, one thing I do want to do also is I want to slow down. Like, I need to right now. I talk really fast sometimes, and like I rush when I do things, and I think that's my nervous system in like a fight or flight mode, like that I'm not realizing, you know? I've seen people talk about it a lot on TikTok where they're like washing their face and trying to go fast, and then they're like, I'm okay, take your time and like slow down. I do that all the time where I'm like, why? I need to chill out. So there's that. But happy new year. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you guys had a good holiday season, a great Christmas. I went home for a week, which was so nice to be home. Oh my God, it was cold and so good. I got to be with my family and just love on everybody. It was a really nice trip. I mean, granted, that was a month ago. I miss him already, but the nitty gritty of this video. I am going to be a mom of two. I am. Ellie is going to have a sister, her best friend in the world, Harley. Harley will be here, and I am so excited. You guys are going to love her. I don't think my YouTube channel has ever met her. She is the sweetest peach, and I am so excited to be a mom of two for 10 days.
Come here. Say hello. My name is Harley Marizel. Well, it's just Harley, but I call you Harley Marizel. How are you, sister? You're so close to the camera, you love bug.
Harley is one of my friend's parents' dogs, and they're like family to me, so Harley feels like family to me too. And we have this great thing going on that like when I go out of town, they take Ellie for me, and when they go out of town, I take Harley for them. It's the best. Come here, up, up. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh quick Chris, oh quick Chris. Oh, okay, thank you, oh thank you. Okay. Okay, okay, living a dream.
Mama, what is she doing, sister? Is she getting in your stuff? Show her your stuff.
I know this has been a lot of commotion. You wanna come lay down? Come here, Mama. It's been a lot of action so far, huh? I know. Are you happy?
Good morning, sissy. Did we just sleep in bed? Whoa, whoa. Okay. Wow. Ow, you're stepping on my boob. Your tongue's in my mouth. Okay, okay. Hi, Ellie.
What's breakfast? You hungry, honeys? Okay. Harley? Hungry? Hi, honey bunnies. I know. All right, let's get this going. Come here, babies. Thank you for being so patient. You let me slip in. Ellie, here's yours. Harley, here's yours. All day. All right, good. While they're preoccupied, the only real difference between Harley and Ellie to me is when she's here, like waking me up this morning, you saw that clip, she's such a love bug. She's all over me. She's wanted to say hi. She's just such a snuggle bug. Where like Ellie, she'll come up, she'll like pat me sometimes really hard. She's like, Mom, you know, whatever. But she's 8 years old. We're so used to each other that she'll wait. She's very calm. She's very chilled out. And Harley's still, she's only 3 years old, I believe. She's still so young. She has a lot of energy. Sometimes dogs at this age slow down a lot, and Ellie doesn't, especially when she's with Harley. Like, Ellie still has such a playful spirit, which I love. And I'm grateful that she has like a friend like Harley Marie, who looks like I'm putting glue all over my face. Wow, I look, this downlight, I promise I look better. Look, do you see? I don't look as scary. Can you see that versus this? Like, it's exaggerating things on my face. I promise I'm not that scary. I will tell you though, like having both of the girls, because I've had Harley here before watching her, but this is the longest time I'll have her. Having both of them together teaches me two things. The first thing is I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah, I would love to be a mom. I would love it. Like that's something that I know that I want. Like I just think I'd be a good mom. Like I just think so. The second thing is, you don't realize like how simple your life is until you add someone else into the mix. And that is absolutely not me saying that Harley is like a lot and all of that, because she is absolutely not. When the girls get together, they play nonstop. It's like boom, 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 boom. It's a lot more energy than on a daily basis. Hi, Sissy, are you hiding? Oh, uh-oh, I heard you guys going so fast. Yeah, were you running the most fast? I heard you. On a day-to-day basis with me and Ellie, like my life is very simple with her, which I already know that. But when you add like, even when I've had like a friend stay over, right? Like one of my girlfriends, like I have a girlfriend that comes in from out of town for work sometimes, and she'll come stay with me for like 5 days straight. And even with her, my own human friend, you know, there's times when she leaves and I'm like, wow, it feels so much quieter in here. It's like, cause we're just, you know, I'm not used to that. It's just me and Ellie on a daily basis. And you're like, wow, you don't realize how your life feels until you add someone else into the mix, whether it's a dog or a friend or whoever. And then you go back to your normal life after. Like, it's gonna feel so quiet in here after, you know? But I'm so happy for Ellie to have all of this playtime. It's just such a dream. Mama's girl, you got a shower in there? Checking it out. Oh, this is cute. I just got this sweatshirt in the mail. Wait, I love this color. Okay, we're just gonna go like this for now. This is not the finished product, but I have to take care of the babes. And we're back, okay. I tried to walk them at the same time. Not doing that again. It's hard to pick up dog poop with two dogs in hand. Oh, is something on my shirt? Oh, the tag. I was like, what's pulling on my bra? Boom. There we go. Well, this will do. It's not really what I want, but I'll work with what I got. Boom, there we go.
Are you trying to get Sissy to play with you? I know it. Hi, twins. Hi, twins. I'll come out there in a second, I promise. I'm just finishing up, okay?
I'm debating between, I have this new Ole Henriksen, whatever. It's their peptide treatment. And this is in vanilla something, I believe. Here we go. Dog mom outfit of the day.
I know, can you sit? Both of you girls, sit. Stay. Okay, sit pretty. Good girl. Okay, sit. You girls, I have to tell you something. You have been so amazing and such good babies. I'm so proud of you. Sit. So, I just both got you something special because you've been so good. Okay. Hi. My house is a mess right now. Well, maybe not for normal people, but for me, a freak, it is messy. But I needed to get some more coffee, so I put in a little order because there's one thing I can't survive without, it's my coffee. So I just put in an order for that and then got the girls like 2 special little peanut butter bones, and then poppies were on sale for like $1. They're never that cheap, so I got a couple of those. These are my coffee pods I get all the time. They're just the Kroger brand. It's just this simple brand, but I get the hazelnut pods. It's good. It gives the coffee like a little bit of like a nutty flavor, which I personally like. I tell you, these girls have been so easy. Oh, by the way, do you guys watch Friends? You know Courtney Cox, who plays Monica? Look, this is her brand called Home Court. So cute. But I just got one of her hand soaps in the mail. I'm so excited to try. It smells really good. It smells like minty, but like a little elevated. I'll just show you what I got since it's right here in front of me. A little mail haul. These are from Dr. Jart. It's their skin barrier duo. I have this ceramide or ceramidin, whatever it's called. Ole Henriksen, whatever it's called. This is the eye brightening cream. I have one right now. I'm really liking it. And then this is the Peptide Boost Moisturizer. I have not tried this yet. If you have,
let me know. But I've tried this one and it's really good, but I need to film for those things. I'm still momming over here. I have 9 more days of this, 8 more days, something like that, but I'm loving it. It's really nice. The girls are really so easy, and Miss Harley Marie has been so cute. She like follows me everywhere. All right, girls, look, can you sit? Can you guys sit? Oh, perfect. Well, you did what I asked. Well, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna hang out with these girls and clean the house. Maybe I'll do a clean with me soon, but I'm not doing one while I'm watching the girls. I just wanna get it done with. But I love you guys. My phone's actually, not my phone, my camera's dying right now. But I'll see you again very soon. I hope you enjoyed my mom life vlog.